Let's explore Cahors.
Hello everyone and welcome back. We're Courtney and James and this is our little sausage roll, Sally. For the last 12 months we've been living full-time in DeeDee, our bright orange Mercedes Sprinter, whilst travelling the continent. In the last episode we were caught in a rampant storm in Italy, and since then we've travelled across the border into France. In this vlog we're visiting two epic bridges, staying in some super glamorous car parks, and generally continuing our journey north towards Calais, ready for our trip home next month. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want notifications of our new videos. Go on, you know you want to. Good morning! So we are now in the town of Mazamet, I think. Sort of in the south-west of France. Slowly making our way back towards Calais, towards the Eurotunnel over the next few weeks. Unfortunately James is in the van chilling. He had to chase Sally into the woods yesterday as she darted off chasing after a bunny, and he has hurt his back in carrying her back up, scrambling through the trees. So he's resting, and Sally and I are now going to go on a walk and hopefully find a suspended bridge, which is apparently just somewhere up there in those hills above the village. So it's probably going to be a steep one, but it's lovely. We have been very, very lucky with the weather recently. It's been cold but bright most days, so we can't really complain about that. So yeah, let's go see if we can find this bridge. Well, this is actually pretty epic. Better than I thought it was going to be, I'm not going to lie. Sal's not so sure. It's a little bit bouncy with everyone walking on it. And the grates on the floor. You can probably hear her little claws. But the views are awesome. It's so random that it's just like above this little village. Come on, baby. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You're alright. Bless her. She kept like laying down on the floor. She really didn't want to walk across. I've got you though. We're nearly there now. Bless you. Here we go. Solid ground. There we are. Built on a rocky outcropping in the hills is the medieval village of Hautpoul, with ruins of an old Cathar castle overlooking the valleys. Here's a fun fact for you. Translation of Hautpoul today roughly means high chicken. Make of that what you will. And now we descend. Ah, look at Limpy Lou sunning himself in the front.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay, yeah.
How you feeling?
Okay.
Back's alright?
It's fine.
Okay. Oh, well that was lovely.
Yeah, good walk.
Quite steep.
I bet.
19% gradient. I think you probably would have struggled with your back.
Yeah, I'm glad I stayed here.
Yeah.
Showered.
Yeah, you're lovely and clean now.
Feel very, very, very clean.
Oh, jealous.
Yeah.
I'll have mine later.
Yeah. Well, we're going to head north now, aren't we?
Yeah.
On a slow journey back up, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Head to Cahors.
Yep.
It's like 2 hours away, I think.
Okay.
and there's like a parking right down by the river. So Cahors like has a river that goes around it like that, and then this really nice bridge is meant to be very pretty. So we'll go and see that, I think, and then there's also a free motorhome area, so we can fill up with water, so you can shower to your heart's content.
Wonderful! That's what I like to hear. Okay. Oh, shall we hit the road, Jack?
Hit the road, Jack.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road.
Yes,
Jack.
we should.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We made it. So this is our parking spot for tonight. It's very glamorous. It's just a little parking area by the river. A few cars, a couple of campers. Sally's watching me to make sure I'm not running away. Not the most glamorous car park, but this is a very quiet street. There's a motorhome area just down the road, so if we need to fill up water we can, and it's a 15-minute walk to the famous like medieval bridge with the towers, so we'll probably go and do that tomorrow. So I think we're just gonna have a cup of tea now and relax for the rest of the evening, so we will probably catch you tomorrow. Well, hello.
Hi.
Are we ready?
I think so. Oh, it's fresh, isn't it?
It's very cold.
Let's have his coat on.
She's shivering already and we've already been outside for 30 seconds.
Right. Let's go. How cool is this?
It's epic, isn't it? Got all like the little like arrow slits at the top.
Yeah, like warrior things.
Yeah, warriors. Yeah.
I mean, are they shooting fish or are they shooting bad people?
I don't know, shooting people, stop them invading the
I
city.
mean, on the end one, they'll be shooting people like over
yeah,
the
that
over
are
the
coming over the bridge. Or like if people have boats and things. They'll do that. Yeah. Yeah, people have boats come down the river trying to invade the city.
Yeah.
And there'll be like forces of like army men or soldiers like lined across the thing.
You'd be such a good general. The bridge, and I have not had a coffee yet today, and you know what that means.
You need one.
Cranky James is going to come and show
Oh
his
god,
face.
let's go, let's go.
Okay. Find one now. Yay! Made a little cup of coffee.
Are you happy now?
Very happy.
Good.
Nice little place this as well.
Yeah, it's in the central square.
Yeah. Next to the little road, but that's okay.
Tables are pretty well socially distanced.
It'll do.
It'll do. Oh yeah. We'll enjoy these and then head back to the van, shall we?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
Hello. Well, here we are, ready to do the joyful chores.
Yep. Empty the, no. You stay in. Probably put it
Cheeky.
on a leader.
You stay there. Right. What do we need? Water and toilet.
And grey water. Grey water's already going.
Oh, wonderful.
Here
is your hose.
Thank you.
And I shall get the fun job, as I always do. And just in case anyone's concerned, yes, we do wash our hands after cleaning the toilet and touching all the buttons and stuff. COVID or not, it's got to be done, isn't it, really? Right, we're all strapped in. We've got snacks for the road. Now to find somewhere to sleep tonight.
Hopefully 35 minutes.
Hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. Welcome to our new home for the next 3-4 nights. Excuse the tractor in the background. It's just our neighbour just mowing his field. But yeah, we went to the first spot, but it wasn't great. There were loads of trees and it was very shady, which is not good for working. And there were solar panels, so we've driven like 15-20 minutes a bit further north. Came to this little spot. It's like a murky pond there. Nice, so pretty. Nice level spot here. And it's all fenced. Sally, come here.
She got through.
Yeah, she's got through to the field on the other side.
Okay.
I was just about to say it's all kind of hedged, fenced in, so Sally can't really run away too far, but she's still found a way to get through that to the other side of the field.
Let's cut to get her and then we can update them there.
Okay. Right, well, now we're relaxed. We are just going to sit and chill. I'm going to do some editing of last week's video, not this video.
What am I going to do?
I don't know. What are you going to do?
My laptop's out of battery.
Oh, well, that'll mean you can do something else.
Okay.
Read.
Might read.
Go for a walk.
Might.
Do some meditation.
Might.
Doubtful.
I do know what I am going to do though.
What?
Drink my cup of tea.
Drink my tea, yes.
Although, truly British problems, we have 13 tea bags left and 4 days to make them last.
That's going to be tough.
6 cups of tea. Over 4 days.
1 a day from now on, plus a couple of extra supplementary ones. And that's only providing we can actually get black tea bags out of the supermarket, so that's going to be even more of a challenge.
For the travellers that know, Lord Nelson will hopefully come to the rescue.
Yes, Lord Nelson, we believe in you.
Come on, Lord. Anyway,
yes, we are going to leave this video here. Chill, enjoy a cup of tea. Hope you've enjoyed watching us explore this part of France and watching us empty our toilet and all the glamorous things that come with this lifestyle. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah, when we're heading north.
Further north. Further north.
To the north.
To the north.